This is her screaming corner.
Hey, Kigs. Can I get a who? Oh, thank you.
Why are you still here? Go away!
Hi, beautiful. Hi.
Pika, it's a beagle.
Hello. Hello.
Its little butt.
Good morning. Konnichiwa.
What are you doing?
Gonna give him a kiss.
Gonna give him a kiss.
Baby. Huh? Good.
Good job. Good job, baby.
What kind of bird are you?
I'm a llama bird.
Oh, thanks.
Don't peck me. Stop. That hurts.